if there is one thing that I recommend every family in this country to do as a favor for their children, is to read a story, a short story, a kid's story, children's stories, bedtime stories, fairy tale stories, adventure stories to their children, to give a new generation, a new window, a new venue of imagination. Imagination is a quintessential element. Who you are right now and the way you are shaped right now, the way you are morphed to be right now, comes from your childhood. If you do not develop enough reading in your childhood, you will never be as successful in future as possible. It is like two things that are directly connected to each other. If one thing gets affected, the other thing gets affected. If you do not get the vaccine of reading in your childhood, you will never get the immunity against the virus of ignorance in future. That's what I want to say.